crashed the drone. What?
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action.
Good morning guys and welcome from another beautiful day in Nusa Islands. I think we're in Nusa Ceningan right now. And we just had a quick pre-breakfast photo shooting here at the pool. All the breakfast is cold as per regular protocol for us. Now we're gonna have breakfast, go into town, grab some coffee and do another photo shooting at a place in town. And then we're gonna be heading over to Nusa Penida, my absolute favorite, second favorite island in the world. My favorite island in the world is Miami Beach. And it's just so nice to be able to say that you live on an island, right? I mean... Alright. Nobody's interacting with me, so I'm gonna have breakfast.
Not looking back, eyes on the freeway, Bonnie and Clyde, a classic cliche. We're on the run, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss now. I'm done living life with the lights up, done with my own doubts.
Just checked out of our beautiful Airbnb here in Nusa Ceningan, did a quick live video, and now we're on our small little private boat to go over to Nusa Penida. Just for your information, a boat to Nusa Penida costs around 75 to 80,000 per person, and it's a short boat ride, so...
Or private one?
It's also the regular one costs the same thing.
The regular one costs 80.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, good deal. So it's a good deal.
It's, yeah, and I think probably over there they've got like their own little community, so he can't go from over there, but from here he can, so... Nice! Let's get going.
So we just found this cat. We are at this diving center, which is, wait a second. This, oh my god, it's so cute. It's Octopus Dive Nusa Penida, and they are the very first local diving operator on the island. And we love to support local, so yeah, so we just organized a trip for tomorrow, scuba diving trip for tomorrow, to swim with the manta rays.
Sure, thank you very much.
And we fell in love with this little kitten. Oh, look.
That's lovely, you were vegetarian.
Yeah. Snuffles.
Aww.
Your name is Snuffles now.
So cute. Hey, kitty. So last week, Mike and Pierre went diving without us.
No, they had fun without us,
Which
so now it's our
so
turn to
nice.
have fun.
So we say,
Best in the world.
oh, yeah, just, how do you say, put salt into the wounds. Wounds. So now we decided we want to do it again.
Tropical is not
This
Yes,
time
tropical.
I'm scuba diving with them, and Trina is going to snorkel because she is not certified yet.
Keyword yet, right?
Yeah, I know.
You can't receive it.
So guys, it finally happened to me.
What happened, Mike?
I crashed the drone.
What? Where?
I was flying towards the cliff.
Yeah. You just have
And
to go under?
I saw you starting your drone.
Yeah.
So I flew up, I was looking at the screen, then I thought, okay, I'll circle it, and I watch my drone in front of the cliff.
Yeah.
And then I look at the screen, and all of a sudden it hits branches and falls in the water, and I'm like, what the fuck, my drone's right there. But it was the other guy's drone I was looking at. I was watching his drone, and I thought I had enough space, but I didn't have any. I was looking at the wrong drone. Oops.
Triple A, credits are right. Hang up the phone and let your heart break. Only in LA, 24 twice. She's on the phone, but she's staying on Wilshire Boulevard. Old dreams dying hard. He wants you to return this love.
So yeah, sorry I interrupted the explanation. What happened was I confused my drone with somebody else's drone in the sky and was flying towards the bushes, looking at the screen, seeing what I was actually filming, but not aware of that the bushes were coming towards me. And it's the first time I've crashed a drone since I've had a drone, and it's just sad that it's a fatal loss this time. So I'd be very thankful if everybody can send a tweet out to DJI and telling them Mike needs a drone for the rest of his trip. So just go on Twitter at DJI Global, help making it happen, get a new drone.
I know you lost your drone, but it's still happening.
We found this little food market. I'm gonna try some Indonesian food.
We're here with Trina and Pierre.
Hey!
Yeah. So let's try everything.
I know about everything. Yeah, everything. I think that might be useful.
Subscribe, link down below and up in this corner.
Yeah.
Everyone subscribe so we can buy him a new drone.
Yes.
We're gonna reach 1 million very soon, and then we're gonna buy him a drone.
Make a note of that.
Yeah.
I'm totally sending you a drone for 1 million subscribers, no problem.
But he's not the one who pulls away. He's not the one, babe. Oh, you got enough on your plate. Got enough on your plate.
So we're starting off with kind of an omelette that's fried on a hot plate in a pastry. It's really crunchy. It's either vegetarian or it's with chicken inside. I think ours is just ready.
Yeah.
So it looks pretty nice. Looking forward to that.
Yeah, it looks really delicious.
And then we're also gonna get like fried fish, right?
Yeah.
Cool.
And it looks promising because Pierre and Trina had it for lunch. So
This, they didn't have this. They had the
the
chicken.
fish.
The fish.
Yeah. So I trust them.
Yeah. Hello.
It's good.
Oh, I think she's like, I think she's done for the day.
So we need to hustle and get our other food in real quick, otherwise because slowly but surely they're all closing up, and we want to try through a few things. And yeah, Pierre just we just had a fender bender.
Mike, what is nasi goreng?
It's fried rice. Basically, it's just fried rice with vegetables, and that's it.
Okay.
Very simple, a staple of Indonesian
I think
cuisine.
So. Yeah, that's probably one of the first things that a lot of tourists try.
Yeah.
Like internationals, it's the nasi goreng and mee goreng.
Yeah.
And mee is what?
Mee is noodles.
Noodles.
Yes.
Okay. Which one do you like better?
I like both, but we've eaten a lot of nasi goreng on this trip, so I kind of feel like eating some mee goreng just to mix it up a little bit.
Gotcha.
But what I really like is you can get small paper packages, like the little pyramids, where you got the nasi goreng. Yeah, and they have fish in them, they have the rice in them, they have everything in one package. You just open up, mix it up, eat it right there.
Awesome.
Sorry, Nelly, I assumed you like spicy because Mike was eating spicy, so...
Yes.
Yeah.
It's all eat spicy.
Smells good. Yeah. Wow. Ooh, crunchy. I hear the crunch. I hear the crunch. We see the saliva. No, I'm kidding.
Tina, go, try.
Wow, that's really good. You want me to try it? Okay,
Yeah.
cool.
I mean, you should try it. Yeah.
Yeah. Which one is your favorite? Can everyone give me your favorites?
This one.
You like the
I love this one.
Ooh, I think
yeah,
Nelly, the
that was
omelet.
good. So
This tastes too much like chicken to me.
this I could eat.
really?
If I don't eat chicken, I feel like I'm eating chicken, so I don't like it too much.
This I could eat every day.
Yeah.
That I could eat every now and then. But I feel like that's a little bit too unhealthy with all the fat.
Yeah.
It is not the healthiest. This one's probably the healthiest, actually. The one that
Yeah.
you're eating
And the
right
most
now.
flavorful, I would say.
Yeah. What about you, Nelly? Which one did you like?
Actually, I enjoyed this omelette.
Yeah.
A lot.
Every now and then. It's
Yeah,
not
every
every
now
day
and
you're
then.
gonna get that.
I don't have to eat unhealthy all the time. So